Cora from Starland Machinery.
Hello, I'm Gary.
This is our floor grinder FG250E with grading width of 250 millimeters. It can work with a variety of polish materials, such as diamond grading cups, resin polish pads, and sandpaper.
The model can be selected in single-phase or three-phase, with variable speed available for the three-phase.
It supports dry grading with vacuum cleaner and wet grading with a 1/4 quick water connection. By using the bubble level, you can adjust the grading angle. 45 adjustable design making edge and corner grading effortless. Its foldable design makes transportation and storage much easier. Want to get full specification and quotation? Contact today.